And now, of course, Meghna, so many questions. We've interviewed you for Humans of Bombay, so we have context of your story. At 29, you were rejected for a job opportunity, correct? Because of maternity leave. And you and your partner both set up Slurp Farm. Was it difficult at all to get investment as a woman? And how was that process for you?
Firstly, really nice to be here. Thanks, Karishma, for that question. I think for us, it wasn't hard to get investment. But I think what's important is the numbers are very clear, right? I think Aisha said, 13.2% of are women entrepreneurs. And we know that, that's just crazy. That means of that, the number that are getting funded are even smaller. So it's almost a little bit irrelevant whether we got funded or not. It's a very real problem and it needs to be solved. I think both Shourvi and I are very aware of we've gone to the right schools, and have access to the networks that all the boys do. So, we've been able to get into the rooms that we'd like to and really raise money from whoever, we felt was the right fit for us. We also have with us Anushka Sharma, who is the most absolutely wonderful sort of investor and brand ambassador for both our brands. So I'd say, at the right time, the exact right person. And so, I think Rashi said it right. Entrepreneurship is full of hurdles, but each one of them is teaching you something and only just getting you better. So I don't even remember actually, when people say, what were the 3 biggest problems? I was like, I don't know, they don't exist anymore. I have 3 new ones. You want to hear about those?
So, but it's an ongoing learning process still, in terms of building your space when it comes to such a large industry and there are such massive competitors. Is that ever a challenge that you've kind of taken head on and said, okay, this is how we'll do it different?
So I think that the essence of the brand Slurp Farm was born because, the need was very clear. There was just really nothing on the shelf that I wanted to feed my child. And the more I spoke to other mothers, that was exactly what we were hearing. And it actually became quite apparent that, yes, there's a need, but there's also a humongous opportunity to go out there and make something that means something to, mums across this country. Right? So that's sort of the mission we're on, to be India's most loved kids food brand, right? And so that's what motivates me every single day.
To push it.